I'm Corey McCain, CEO at WeStrive. We built this platform based on the feedback from thousands of personal trainers and gym owners so you can easily grow your business, manage all of your locations, track your coaches, and provide your clients with a 5-star experience both in person and online. Now, let's show you how it works. Every location has its own dashboard, complete with coaching and client stats. The only difference is that as the head location, you also have full admin access to invite and edit other locations. You'll also see overall status updates on each location, and you'll be able to set alerts and permissions for each gym. From the coaches section, you'll see similar activities like, are my coaches adding clients or are they actually using the app? The locations tab will be similar, showing which locations have joined, if they've added a new coach, or if they're actually logging into the app. In the clients section of your homepage, you can quickly discover which clients are following their fitness programs and get a full breakdown of your clients' day-to-day activities. We'll cover everything from post-workout feedback to journal entries, surveys, and more. Then we have a client breakdown which highlights which tags or groups all of the clients of your location are in. From the gym page, you can manage all of your locations, so if you're a one-location gym, then don't worry about this page. As the head location, the gyms section is only accessible to you. From here, you can add and edit locations and then see every coach and client of each location. You can even bulk transfer clients to different locations or different coaches. On this page, you can also set the permissions for your company. Here you can turn on the ability for other locations to add to your company-wide databases, or if you want to be the only one to edit these databases, then just leave this option off. From the My Gym section, you can add and edit clients and coaches and set all of the permissions for your gym location. This is a more advanced permissions section where you can assign different coaches different roles and customize everything they're allowed to do within your company. You can build anything you want inside of WeStrive. Our program builder allows you to create full fitness plans alongside a calendar of habits, surveys, progress photo requests, daily macro goals, and so much more. From the workout builder, you can create supersets, cooldowns, AMRAPs, pin notes to each exercise, create reusable day templates, and measure workouts with RPE, distance, tempo, etc. WeStrive provides you with over 1,600 exercise videos, or you can add a library of your own. Want to build even faster? Simply zoom back out to the calendar and start typing to build out your whole week. Once you're done, simply just assign the program to a client, and WeStrive takes care of the rest. The program will automatically sync up to their calendar. The My Business section might not be for all gyms, but there are two main use cases here. 1. You want to use the website to host testimonials, highlight pricing, and even sell automated programs or packages for both online or in-person training. The second use case would be that you want to create a member subscription for both in-person and online, so members not working with coaches could subscribe to a programming library. Feel free to reach out to help@westrive.com and we'd be happy to walk you through this process. When it comes to managing clients, we have you covered. You can easily organize their day-to-day from our beautiful calendar feature. You can even use tags to bulk assign things like surveys, habits, and fitness programs. From their profiles, easily track their workout progress, measurements, progress photos, and more. Now, you and your clients get to enjoy our 5-star mobile app. Clients can easily swipe left to get through their program. They can click on each video to watch a demonstration of the exercise, click to see their workout history, and when their workout is done, they can also leave you feedback. They can see a full daily to-do list that can involve a workout, tracking calories, daily habits, or maybe a survey that you ask them to fill out. From the coaching login, you can send group messages, add notes to client workouts, track client programs, and much more. So whether you're a small studio or a gym chain with 100+ locations, we're confident WeStrive can truly transform your business. Have a great day, and don't forget to keep striving.